world.
Okay, that's it for my little stay there at Traveller's Oasis, and I'm heading up to Port Douglas today for a day trip, and then I'll come back and stay at the, I think it's the Cairns Plaza Hotel. So man, what a couple of great days already being around here. It's been fantastic. The weather again amazing. I've never been up to Port Douglas before, so really looking forward to what that looks like up there. From all reports, it's a beautiful location, a beautiful drive, so let's get into it and see how we go. Okay, on my way up to Port Douglas, and I've just stopped at, I think it's Eli Beach, and this place looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to show you what the beach looks like. Look at this perfect day. No wonder it's full of cars and everything stopping here, because it looks absolutely amazing. Let's head down onto the beach. Perfect day out there. Check out that water out there today. So smooth. Good to see it's a dog friendly beach as well. I wonder what the name of that island is over there. That looked like it'd be a beautiful place to go and dive. Well, Ellis Beach, or Eli Beach, I'm not sure how to pronounce it yet. That is spectacular. Well worth stopping on the way up to Port Douglas to see that. Here's a couple of photos I took.
Take on the world.
Alright, I'm going to turn upwards to Port Douglas.
We're gonna take on the world.
Oh, wow. Let's do hang gliding or something up here. They've got a hang gliding thing there. And that was at Ellis Beach down there. Okay, and the obligatory selfie. Look at this spot. Amazing. I wonder if we can see any whales out there today. It's pretty smooth. You'll be able to see them if they're going past. Big tanker out over there. Look at some beautiful waters around here. Okay, that's it for now. Now we'll get up to Port Douglas. Highly recommend this trip up here. Man, a couple of beautiful spots to come along and stop on the way up to Port Douglas. So yeah, great little trip so far.
We're gonna take on the world. Take on the world.
whatever you want to call it, came out, but that section through there was just stunning. I keep saying it, but this is a great road trip. Fantastic views, beautiful windy roads, but that coastline is just sublime. I haven't seen anything like that for a while, actually. It's yeah, it's worthwhile. Just come up, do the day trip. You won't be disappointed.
Take on the world.
Oh, check out the palm trees. Very tropical looking here. This is the tropics, baby.
We're gonna take on the world.
Okay. We're here at Port Douglas now, and that looks spectacular down there, and we're going to go and show it to you right now. Alright, now if I was going to pick any place to come out of Cairns and Port Douglas just on feel alone, I'd be coming up here, Port Douglas. This has a real cool beachy vibe to it. 4 Mile Beach, slippery rocks, but the main thing, stingers and crocodiles. Australia, it'll love you and kill you at the same time. Wow, this looks spectacular. Oh yeah, check it out. Wow, what a spot. Absolutely amazing. Go and dip our toes in the water, shall we? Get our shoes off and head on out there. Oh, that water is so warm. So nice. Ah, love it. Nice little rocks around there as well. Hello toes. Beautiful water, nice and warm. That's a real Phuket Bali vibe along here, to be honest. Sorry Cairns, but this tops you. Yes, you've got all the nightlife and all that sort of thing, but I'm this sort of person. I love the beachy vibe and the tropical vibe. This is definitely me. Yes. Okay, look at this. Spectacular. This is the middle of winter up here in Queensland, and it's, I don't know, probably about 28, 29 degrees I'd say today. Perfect conditions, really. I love that sort of temperature, not too hot, not too cold. It's just right. But look at that, magnificent. The palm trees going on. Not much cloud in the sky. And virtually no wind either. Come up here, this is awesome. Beautiful spot, Port Douglas. Get into it.
We're gonna take on the world.